Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making sure the case and earbuds have enough charge. Low power can interrupt the reset. Once done, remove both Indy Anc earbuds, leave the case lid open, and make sure the earbuds are off. Press and hold the touch or physical button on each earbud simultaneously for about 6 to 8 seconds. You'll see the LEDs flash white. This indicates they've entered pairing mode and are ready for the reset sequence. Now perform the actual factory reset. With both earbuds out, close the case for 5 seconds to clear temporary states, then reopen. Next, press and hold both earbud buttons together for about 10 seconds. Watch for alternating red and white LED blinks, which confirm memory wipe. Make sure you've removed the Indy Anc from your phone's Bluetooth list before reconnecting. Once the earbuds stop blinking, put them back into pairing mode and pair as a fresh device, so settings don't carry over. Finish by pairing the earbuds to your device and checking functionality. If the Skullcandy app is available, run a firmware update to stabilize performance. If connection issues persist, let the earbuds and case drain fully, charge them to 20% minimum, and repeat the 10-second reset step. This often clears stubborn state problems. If you still have trouble after 2 full attempts plus an update, contact Skullcandy support for diagnostics. They can advise if hardware service is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.